two cartridges stand apart, a study in contrasts. The .357 SIG, a bottlenecked American hot rod, screams through the air, hungry for targets. In the opposite corner, the 7.5 FK BRNO, a Czech creation, whispers tales of precision and innovation. Both offer unique advantages for handgunners seeking an edge. One thing's certain, these rounds weren't designed for the faint of heart. They represent a quest for performance, a desire to push boundaries. The .357 SIG, with its blistering velocity, caters to those who value stopping power above all else. The 7.5 FK BRNO, on the other hand, attracts shooters who prioritize accuracy and control. But enough with the pleasantries. Let's delve into the history and mechanics of these fascinating cartridges. Prepare to be enlightened, entertained, and maybe even a little surprised. The .357 SIG, born in 1994, emerged from a desire for FBI agents to have .357 Magnum performance in a semi-automatic pistol. This bottlenecked center-fire cartridge, developed by SIG Sauer, quickly gained a reputation for its flat trajectory and impressive energy transfer. The round's design is deceptively simple. By necking down a 10mm auto case to accept a .355-inch bullet, similar to a .357 Magnum, engineers created a cartridge capable of achieving high velocities with manageable recoil. This innovative approach addressed the limitations of traditional semi-automatic pistol cartridges, offering a potent combination of power and capacity. Across the Atlantic, a different kind of innovation was brewing. In the Czech Republic, the 7.5 FK BRNO, also called the 7.5x27, emerged in the early 1990s. This rimless, bottlenecked centerfire cartridge, designed by FK BRNO, aimed to provide superior ballistics and accuracy for military and law enforcement use. Unlike the .357 SIG, the 7.5 FK BRNO utilizes a smaller diameter, lighter bullet. This design choice, combined with a relatively large case capacity, allows for high velocities and a flat trajectory while maintaining manageable recoil. The result is a cartridge that excels in accuracy and long-range performance. Unlike the .357 SIG, the 7.5 FK BRNO offers a unique blend of speed and precision. With muzzle velocities exceeding 2,000 feet per second and muzzle energies around 500 foot-pounds, this round excels in long-range accuracy. The lighter bullets, typically weighing between 85 and 95 grains, contribute to its superior ballistic performance. The .357 SIG, while powerful, doesn't match the 7.5 FK BRNO in terms of speed and trajectory. Its heavier bullets, typically ranging from 125 to 147 grains, achieve velocities exceeding 1,400 feet per second. This results in a more curved trajectory and longer time to target, making it less ideal for long-range engagements. What about available platforms? The .357 SIG, being a relatively common cartridge, can be found in a wide variety of handguns. Popular platforms include the SIG Sauer P226, Glock 31, and Smith & Wesson M&P, among others. These pistols, known for their reliability and ergonomics, provide a stable platform for harnessing the .357 SIG's power. The 7.5 FK BRNO, on the other hand, faces a more limited selection of firearms. Developed primarily for the SIG Bren 2 pistol, this cartridge has yet to see widespread adoption in other platforms. The SIG Bren 2, a modern and modular pistol, showcases the cartridge's accuracy and controllability. And let's talk about their niche appeal, cult followings, and dedicated fans. Despite its impressive performance, the .357 SIG has never achieved mainstream popularity. However, it has garnered a loyal following among law enforcement agencies and discerning shooters who appreciate its unique combination of power and capacity. The 7.5 FK BRNO, being a relatively new and less common cartridge, has yet to develop a significant following. However, its impressive ballistics and accuracy have piqued the interest of long-range shooters and those seeking an alternative to traditional pistol calibers. echoes of innovation shaping future calibers. The .357 SIG and 7.5 FK BRNO, while different in their approaches, share a common thread: innovation. These cartridges represent a departure from traditional handgun ammunition, pushing the boundaries of performance and challenging conventional wisdom. The legacy of these rounds lies not just in their own performance, but in the inspiration they provide for future ammunition development. By daring to be different, they pave the way for new and exciting cartridges that will continue to shape the landscape of handgun shooting. And so, what is the verdict? Which cartridge do you think reigns supreme? Picking between the .357 SIG and 7.5 FK BRNO is no easy task. It's a clash of titans, a battle between power and precision. Ultimately, the best round for you depends on your individual needs and priorities. If you prioritize stopping power and want a cartridge with proven performance in a variety of platforms, the .357 SIG is a solid choice. However, if you value accuracy, flat trajectory, and the allure of a unique and innovative cartridge, the 7.5 FK BRNO might be your cup of tea. Join the debate. What's your take? Now it's your turn to weigh in. Which cartridge are you going to try out next? Are you drawn to the raw power of the .357 SIG or the precision of the 7.5 FK BRNO? Share your thoughts, experiences, and opinions in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications on the little bell icon. And hey, while you're at it, check out our other caliber comparisons, gear spotlights, gun painting videos, and range footage here at 5 Guns 1 Official. We are 5 Guns 1.